Welcome back to Fixing Expert. In today's video, we're diving into how to properly clean waterproof laminate flooring. If you want to keep your floors spotless and long-lasting, follow these 5 easy steps. Let's get right into it. Step 1. Sweep or vacuum first. Before you start mopping, make sure to sweep or vacuum the floor to remove dirt and debris. Dirt particles can cause scratches over time, so it's crucial to get rid of them. If you're using a vacuum, use a soft bristle attachment to avoid damaging the surface. Step 2. Use a damp mop. The key to cleaning waterproof laminate flooring is to use a damp mop, not a soaking wet one. Too much water can seep into the cracks, causing damage. You can use a microfiber mop or a standard floor mop, but remember to wring it out well before using it on your floors. Step 3. Choose a mild cleaner. Always opt for a mild cleaner that's designed for laminate flooring. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners that can dull the finish. You can either buy a laminate-specific cleaner or mix a few drops of dish soap with warm water. Never use bleach or wax-based cleaners on laminate. Step 4. Wipe up spills immediately. Although your laminate is waterproof, it's still a good practice to wipe up spills immediately. Standing water or liquid can warp the boards or cause discoloration over time. Always keep a clean cloth or mop handy for any accidental spills. Step 5. Dry and polish for a streak-free shine. After mopping, use a dry microfiber cloth to wipe the floor and eliminate any streaks. This final step ensures a clean, polished finish that makes your floors look like new. Plus, drying the floor helps prevent any potential slipping hazards. And that's it. Following these 5 simple steps will keep your waterproof laminate flooring looking flawless. Want more tips like this? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content from Fixing Expert. See you in the next one.